Very good afternoon to all of you. This is Dr. Krishna Kumar from Coimbatore. I'm going to today present in this video about Akshaya Biofuel Saver. It's a very good product, an excellent product which helps you save on savings on diesel, petrol, gas, in any type of vehicle, two-wheeler, four-wheelers, and even in lorries and trucks. The cost of the product is only 3,000, but if you see, you get amazing value back for your money. I'll explain that in this video. So our Oestron Gold Live, Akshaya Bio Research Foundation, our Oestron Gold Live gives us two excellent products. One is Akshaya Alkaline Molecule Drops, and another product is Biofuel Saver. So when you buy Akshaya Alkaline plus Biofuel Saver, you need to pay around 6,000 rupees. But when you buy both these products, you get a discount. And since the Tron rate varies from time to time, you have to check on the prices. Now, the cost of the product is only 3,000 for a 50 ml Biofuel Saver. And you can use this Biofuel Saver in your car, for example, or two-wheelers, and max and the savings of petrol is around when you use it in your car, you get a saving of around 1.25 lakhs on your petrol. It saves fuel, plus it also gives you the benefits of it gives you also the benefits of saving the fuel, plus you save money, and also you help save this planet. So it also reduces pollution. Now you get a saving of around 1.25 lakhs on your petrol and diesel when you use it for two-wheelers and cars. And you get a minimum saving of around 3.5 lakhs to 4 lakhs when you use it in cars, trucks and buses. So it is an excellent product. And I'll explain in the video the scientific process and how our product helps you gain this mileage. The basic concept is whenever you apply diesel or petrol to your vehicle, nearly 40% of the fuel is unburnt and comes through your exhaust in the form of carbon and carbon dioxide. So this is the reason why we do not get mileage on our petrol. So this product helps you to boost your mileage, save a lot of money, plus saves the planet. And so let's look at this product. When you use this product, especially in two-wheelers, you get an excellent saving of up to 60% on your petrol expenses. And when you use it for two-wheelers, for example, if you have 2 to 3 liters of petrol in your vehicle, you can add 6 to 8 drops. When you add the drops, you should get half liter of petrol and then you should mix these drops and then administer it to the the vehicle, the two-wheeler, basically. So you have to first catch half liter of petrol and then administer these drops, mix it, and then you should administer it into the vehicle. You should not directly put the drops into the vehicle because it might not reach the fuel and you will not get the mileage. So any type of two-wheeler, you can use this to save up to 60% on your fuel expenses. So this, number one, enhances your engine's performance, the vehicle life, reduces the maintenance expense also. You'll find your vehicle very smooth, and also the unnecessary carbon emission will be arrested, and you will get only oxygen output. You can use it in cars. When you use it in cars for a full tank, you use only 6 drops minimum. You will get 250 to 300 kilometers extra on a fuel tank. So you have an excellent saving on cars, two-wheelers, as well as lorries and trucks. So this is a wonderful opportunity for us. You can use it on all types of vehicles. Now further, if you see, you can also use this product, as I said, on lorries and trucks. When they have 120 to 200 liters, you can just add 8 to 10 drops and you can get up to 40% saving in diesel for lorries and buses. And it depends, if you don't get the mileage, you can add 2 more drops excess, and you can check 100%. You get excellent results and amazing savings on lorry and buses. So this is a very, very good a product which can give you great value for your money. And especially when you use it on lorries and buses, you can save up to 3.5 lakhs by just using our product, which is worth only 3,000 or priced at Indian rupees 3,000, which has to be paid in equivalent of drawn and purchased. Okay, now basically, like you can see, our product has enhances your vehicle performance and other benefits you get. This can also be used for your cylinder, cooking cylinder in the gas. It's an excellent, it gives excellent results, and your cylinder will last for 25 days more. You get a great savings and benefit on your gas cylinder. When you use it on the gas cylinder, you have to put 2 drops on top of the regulator, and 2 drops on this side, and 2 drops on the opposite side, and 2 drops on this side, and 2 drops on this side, and then keep the cylinder erect, and after 1 minute you should light the gas stove. But before testing our product, you should normally light the stove and observe the flame. Take a video shot. You can see the flame height, you can see the flame width, and also the heat. And then after you use our product, you can see the flame of the height increases, the diameter of the flame increases, and also the color of the flame becomes blue. So you can see the heat intensity change. So you can explain to anybody that gas also would last for 20 to 25 days. So they would get a minimum of 1 lakh rupee on domestic gas cylinders alone if they start using this product. This can also be used for gas cars or LPG cars. Same process. You apply 2 drops on 2 to 6 drops on various points, like 2 drops here, 2 drops here, and 2 drops here, and you can just apply 6 drops totally, like the points I showed you on the cylinder. This penetrates and starts working, and you get excellent mileage of up to 300 kilometers extra for a full tank of gas. Plus performance of the vehicle will be smooth, and you can see a good change, good pickup. And even when you switch on the AC, normally the gas vehicles would just give you a small jump when you drive, but even that jump you will not experience when you use our Akshaya Biofuel Saver. So this is an excellent product to save money on your gas vehicles, petrol vehicles, diesel vehicles, on any type of product which uses these 3. And beyond this, as I told you, it helps us save the ozone layer from depletion. So our product reduces completely carbon dioxide, carbon emissions, and results in preventing the ozone layer from depletion, which can have threatening effect on human existence. So if there is a ozone layer is depleted or hole in the ozone layer, it exposes the human beings to directly ultraviolet radiations A, B, and C, and you get skin cancers to various types of ailments and disease. And not only that, when the ozone layer depletion is there, the ocean levels increase, ice in the Antarctica melt, and many continents and parts of the cities would be submerged underwater. So this is a big threat to the mankind, and so we are also helping by use of our product preserve the ozone layer, and we are doing an excellent job of protecting the stratosphere and the ozone layer from depletion. So this is a great value that we add. Secondly, when you see that you need not not only this, there is no decarbonization of engine that is required. So the decarbonization of engine is not required when you use our biofuel saver. So you need not spend money on decarbonization. of engine, because there will be no carbon deposit. Normally in the service station they would charge you around 2,400 to 3,000 rupees for decarbonizing your engine. So you save a huge money in terms of your expenses. Not only that, when carbon deposition happens on the engine parts, the life of the engine and the performance of the engine is also reduced. So this is an excellent product. Now, what is combustion? Let me explain the reaction, the combustion reaction. A combustion is a chemical reaction that is which happens between the hydrocarbon. The hydrocarbon is burnt. So for any object or substance to burn, it requires presence of oxygen. We have read this. So even a candle experiment we have done, when oxygen is cut off, the candle will be put off. So we have seen this in the schools. You remember the same experiment. So when hydrocarbon in the presence of oxygen, it combines, it burns, resulting in carbon dioxide, water plus heat. So the output of combination of hydrocarbon burning with oxygen molecule gives us carbon dioxide, water and heat. This is a basic combustion process which you should understand. So how our alkaline molecule drop works is, when you boost the oxygen molecules, that is hydrocarbon plus oxygen gives heat, water and carbon dioxide. So when you boost the oxygen molecule, there will be more of H2O, that is water, resulting in more of oxygen output and reduced carbon. So when what happens in an incomplete combustion, just look at the equations, you will understand the process. So in the case of incomplete combustion, or when when part of your petrol or diesel does not burn and comes out of the exhaust, this is what is happening. So you must carefully observe what I am telling you. So I said 30 to 35% or 40% of your petrol or diesel comes out of your exhaust unburnt. What happens here? Hydrocarbon plus 13 molecules of oxygen or lack of oxygen results in carbon dioxide and H2O. So you get carbon dioxide. So in the case of complete combustion, this carbon dioxide is reduced and water molecule increases. But what happens in the case of incomplete combustion? Just look, when 9 molecules of oxygen is combined with hydrocarbon, it results in carbon monoxide, CO, not CO2. And carbon monoxide is a very poisonous, toxic gas, which when mixes in the air has very disastrous consequences in terms of depleting the ozone layer and creating a lot of problems for the human life on Earth. And secondly, if you see the hydrocarbon, when it is burnt with 5 molecules of oxygen, it results in 4 atoms of carbon. So carbon and H2O. So again, carbon and carbon monoxide are not desired results, and do not so the carbon deposition happens, as I said, reducing the life and increasing your maintenance cost. So you should remember this basic concept of how Akshaya Biofuel Saver works. So it increases the oxygen molecule, resulting in what you call more of H2O, because the hydrogen atom and oxygen atom combine to form water. So oxygen output increases, and naturally the CO2 emission, carbon dioxide emission decreases, carbon monoxide emission automatically gets reduced, and you have pure oxygen which is eco-friendly released to the atmosphere. So isn't this a great product? So our Akshaya Biofuel Saver is not a chemical compound. It is a natural herbal derivative. So you can use this product in any type of vehicle and engine without any thought whether it will do any harm for my engine. It will never harm your engine, and we have proved this, and we have taken several laboratory tests, and we have tested thousands of vehicles, and we have administered this to even very costly vehicles like Audi, Mercedes-Benz. We have administered this, we have tested, and we have got excellent consistent results. Engine performance has increased, and there has been no issues in the vehicle. So I can tell you that for sure. So this is an excellent product which everyone can use and benefit, because today the cost of petrol is 101 in some cities, as high as 110 to 115 in some of the cities, depending on the tax structure of each state in India. I think as an Indian, we are spending a huge money of what we earn on petrol expenses. I think India is the only developing country which is selling the fuel at such a high price, such a high cost. It is very, very unfortunate. So today, to save our pockets and money, we have to compulsorily use these products. So increase in mileage is one benefit, as I said, that you have today. So you have the increased mileage, and you have in petrol and diesel reduced pollution, clean injectors, and you also combustion chamber. So these are all some of the benefits that you get. And as I said, your expenses on maintenance is reduced. You save a lot of money, and ozone layer is also prevented from further depletion. And finally, before I conclude my presentation, I would like to draw your attention to a point again which I want to reiterate by telling you that you have a huge opportunity to save a lot of money by way of savings, which is as good as 1.25 lakhs when you use it on petrol two-wheelers and cars, and when you use it on lorries and trucks, you get a savings of up to 3.5 to 4 lakhs. And you just imagine, just for a product which is costing only 3,000, you're going to get back such a value of money. I think you should really grab this opportunity and act upon it immediately. So and also we have a wonderful networking business opportunity. So if anybody wants to take up this product and also enter into Oyster Gold Live business opportunity, there are 13 levels of income, irresistible incomes that one can earn without any risk. So the investment in terms of any investment is very low, your risk is very low, and the opportunities are plenty. So you have 13 types of income, and I have explained all this in a separate video about our plan, about our business plan, and what is so unique about our business plan, and why should one join our network business. Everything is explained very, very clearly in my further videos, which you can take a look at. So this apart, I wanted to just remind you once again that you're doing three things. One is saving your fuel, protecting the ozone layer, and third is your maintenance cost for the vehicle is low, engine performance is good. So I think you're having all the triple benefits. That is BBB, we call it as triple B. So there is a triple benefit bonus for you by using our biofuel saver, and I think you should grab this, and all of you should become a part of the Oyster Gold Live business opportunity, because it is an amazing, wonderful opportunity where you have several types of income. And once you refer these products, and once you just share your experience with others about use of this product, I think when you bring in a lot of people into this business, I think they also immensely stand to benefit. One is through product use, number two is they can also earn lifelong passive income. I think today passive income is very important given the post-COVID conditions, the economic conditions. Each and every individual Indian needs a passive income. And so welcome all of you to the great